Welcome to Discovery Princess and this room tour of Obstructed Balcony Emerald 506. Once you enter into a beautifully lit room with the amazing princess beds. And we all know princess beds are one of the most comfortable beds on the open seas. Amazing closets in the stateroom. So much room to have all your clothes nicely hung up for your cruise. And ample storage to store all your shoes, bags, and others. And of course, a great sized washroom with a shower curtain, but that's for another story. Hey there, how's it going? Now off to this obstructed balcony, which I was surprised is not that obstructed. I had amazing views throughout the whole entire cruise. The layout of this stateroom is perfect. You have so much room to get around and so much storage. And of course, like I said, the princess beds are the most comfiest beds out there. And again, this balcony, I can't say anything wrong with this balcony. Yes, it is a bit obstructed, but when you're at sea, all you need is the beautiful fresh air and the sounds of the waves, and you are in heaven. If you like this video, please head down below, hit subscribe, like this video because I have more coming out about the Discovery Princess. And it's all here on